Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to recover deleted Instagram messages. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to recover deleted Instagram messages, all you can do is simply go to your Instagram. Once you're in your Instagram, go to your profile and tap on the three lines. Once you tap on the three hamburger like icon on the top right hand side of the corner, you can simply go and scroll down below. Now here you can find the option called archiving and downloading. Once you simply tap on it, you can simply find some archiving and downloading methods right over here. And to simply get your data downloaded or simply to recover deleted Instagram messages, you need to simply go to your activity. Once you're in your activity tab, you need to simply go and tap on request data. Once you tap on request data as well, you can simply request Instagram to download your data and information. After doing this, you can choose some of your information like select your message and stuff like that and hit the next button. Once this is done, you need to select the date range and create a file about it and download it. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.